It's already been a long morning already, and I literally haven't even started this video, but I've already been filming another video. So if that isn't a YouTuber for you, I don't know what is. I just made my breakfast, so I'm about to eat that, and then I'm about to continue filming the other video that I'm filming today. But it's currently 10:44 in the morning, and I woke up and I'm filming a morning routine for Vlogmas. I just finished making my breakfast, so I'm about to eat that. But this is gonna kind of be intertwined with the morning routine video because I'm doing a point of view, you're a YouTuber, and so me filming is part of that, obviously. So I'm filming my morning routine right now. I'll insert some clips of that video or just like a little montage of that video, and I'll put a link to where you guys can go watch that video. But right now I'm about to eat my breakfast and I'm about to work on my thumbnail and posting today's video, Friday. Also, another thing that I'm doing today, I have a video to upload because it's Friday. I post every Monday and Friday, so if you guys didn't know that, now you know. I post every Monday and Friday. I'm not the most 100% consistent on it, but I would say 8 times out of 10, I'm always pretty consistent with it. So I'm gonna sit here, eat my breakfast, and get my thumbnail and the video ready for tonight. So I basically just got done filming my morning routine. Literally, if you watch my morning routine, you're gonna see I'm in the exact same spot because I literally just got done filming it. But yeah, so my morning routine is pretty chill, but if you would like to see that video, I will pop it up in the eye so you guys can go click that. So that video I'm probably gonna post on the 5th. I have my little thing. This is gonna be like behind the scenes of Vlogmas and just literally what it's like to be a YouTuber, especially around this time of year. It's really hectic if you're doing Vlogmas. If you're not doing Vlogmas, then I guess it's just, you know, like your normal YouTube routine. But since I'm doing Vlogmas 12 days of Christmas, it's definitely a little bit hectic. I'm going to go ahead and write down the videos because some of the days I have them planned out. So like on the 16th, I am doing my Christmas cookie video. I just wrote Christmas cookie on the 16th, and then on the 18th will be my morning routine. And then I'm just gonna take a highlighter and I'm gonna go in and highlight this. I'm trying to like pre-film all the gift card giveaways right now because a lot of the other videos that I have planned for December are a lot of brand deals. I do have a couple brand deals coming up. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Sorry, my mom, she called me. It's literally so fucking cold in this house. But anyways, I made a little checklist for this video. I was supposed to wake up and film, which I already did. And then I need to edit my thumbnail for today's video, which I did already. It's just my Black Friday haul thumbnail. But anyway, so I woke up and I did that. I did that in like my morning routine because that's part of my morning routine is working. So today I was going to work on my Vlogmas intro and outro because I don't have a Vlogmas intro and outro yet. So I'm gonna try to get that done today, and then I want to go get my nails and toes done. After that, I want to go to Target to get some giveaway gifts, and then I'm gonna come back home, edit, and post my YouTube video. And then that should be like a full day of stuff that I have to do for YouTube and everything. I really want to try to get my cookie video edited and then my morning routine edited, but I also have to edit Christian's video for his channel. He started a YouTube channel. It is Tita with the Himmy. I just remembered that I talked about his channel in my Black Friday video, so I have to go in and add his link in there, but I will have the link to his channel in the description box if you guys want to go check out his point of view and just get more of like a taste of like who he is as a person and stuff. So yeah, he started his channel, so I need to edit his video because he wanted to post that actually today, but I don't think I'm gonna get it done today. Okay, I just have too much shit to do. Like I said, I really need to get my nails done. Look at these hoes, they are so grown out. I think I'm just gonna get like my natural nail just with dip. We're gonna start on our Vlogmas intro now, and we're gonna try to get this done. Psych, I decided I'm literally gonna do some basic ass intro. I just don't really feel like doing anything too crazy, and a lot of my actually like the people that I like watching, a lot of them kind of are just doing like simple ones. I don't really want to have like a set one. I'm just gonna have like, it's just gonna be white with like Vlogmas Day da da da, or I don't know, it's gonna be something like that. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. Anyway, so now that we're done with that, really the next thing was to go get my nails and toes done. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm about to go get ready, and then we're gonna go get our nails and toes done.
I'm moving them.
Sing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Sing for the holiday. Sing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Have a happy holiday. Sing for.
We just got back from Target and the nail salon. These are what my nails look like. I just got a green kind of like, I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. So I just got my natural nails and then I did the green with like the sparkle. But anyways, I'm gonna do a little haul of everything that I got. Also, I'm gonna be trying these little Trader Joe's soup dumplings. I see them all the time and I really am excited to try them. We were supposed to actually keep them in the freezer or refrigerator or something. We left them in the car. I'm cooking them still because I spent money on them and I'm so excited to try them. So hopefully I don't get sick because we literally left them in the car all night. So anyways, while that's cooking, I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything that we got. Firstly, I got this little Starbucks cup. Y'all saw it. I've literally never had any one of these little Starbucks cups. I think this is beginning to be my new favorite color because emerald green is just such a pretty color. Why did I say it? I don't know. And then for Christian, he wanted this little set. It was only $10, so if you have curly hair or anything like that, definitely this set is like a good deal. It was only $10. And then here's the giveaway stuff that we got. So the first thing, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put this in the giveaway or not just yet, but it's this little star pillow. I just thought it was really cute. I might put it in there, I might not, I don't know. And then I got this little e.l.f. makeup brush set. I wanted to get the one that was like a dual-ended brush, but they didn't have any more of it. So this is the Flawless Court 7-piece brush set. Then I got these two little Christmas trees. Again, I don't know if I'm going to put this in the giveaway or not. I just think these are really cute. They were like $3 a piece in the Target dollar spot. Next thing I got was these True Little Pimple Patches. I have the bead looking ones, but they didn't have those, so I ended up just getting the little star ones. This is like one of my favorite face washes. It's the Tula Cult Classic, so I got y'all a little mini one of this. The next thing I got is this Bio Oil Skincare Oil. This stuff I've been recently trying, and a lot of people seem to like it, so I thought I would give you guys a little mini one so you guys could try it as well. And then the last thing that I got is these little Christmas themed bath bombs. And then I also ordered these sun lamps, so that should be coming in tomorrow. Okay, we're about to try the little dumpling things. I really hope they're good and I hope they didn't go bad. I think they popped. I'm gonna have to retry these. Anyways, this is what they look like. We're gonna still try it. I'm gonna try this one. This one doesn't seem like it popped that much. Oh, this bitch is hot. Hot, holy fuck. They're really good. They're just a bit hot and like the soup kind of came out. They're only 250 calories and it's all 6 dumplings. Oh my god, I'm gonna start going and buy these more. Anyways, I'm gonna wash out my cup and then I'm gonna fill this up with something to drink and then we're gonna start editing. now 6:07 and I'm just not taking my first little break from editing. I literally only have 3 minutes edited, I'm not even kidding. But I'm about to use the restroom, I don't really have to be. But anyways, so I literally only have 3 minutes edited because when I got home, I edited his video until about like 4 something. And then I stopped and I started editing my video, my Vlogmas Day 3 video, which is gonna be the baking cookies. But real quickly, what I'm actually about to do, Christian's taking a nap in there. I'm about to start baking some chocolate chip cookies because like I said, we were going to go and give these cookies to the homeless. I'm gonna package all the cookies up in here, but I'm also gonna make some chocolate chip cookies to go along with the sugar cookies. So that's what I'm about to get done right now. I just posted my YouTube video and I took the cookies out of the oven, so I'm just letting those cool. And while those cool, I'm just gonna continue to edit. I do hopefully want to get this video done by tonight. Honestly, I'm only 3 minutes in, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, we're probably gonna go take the cookies here tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not, we'll see, but right now I'm just gonna continue to edit. I'm about to put all the cookies in the bags and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna go give them to the homeless. I'm so excited to do this.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow.
We just got done giving out the cookies and the waters and stuff. We ended up actually having to go out and like walk around. We were originally gonna just sit in the car and then just kind of like drive up to people, but there was just so much going on. I think there's about to be like a parade, and it was just like a really popular night, I guess. So we ended up just having to get out and walk around, which was fine. I think we liked it. Was way better that we did it that way instead of like making them like come through the car anyways. We've literally been walking for so long, you guys, like I'm not even kidding. We've been walking for like an hour plus. But anyways, we had a really good time. We're very grateful that we are able to do something like this. But yeah, that's pretty much the point of view of being a YouTuber. This is kind of pretty much how my days consist, especially during Vlogmas and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment,
and subscribe.
I was gonna say, is this a giveaway video? I don't know. But stay tuned for all the giveaways. I have 5 giveaways going on. I'm giving away 5 $10 gift cards, and then I'll be having a big giveaway gift that I'm announcing on the 22nd. So stay tuned for that, and then I'll announce the winner on the 25th. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.